Hi Disney lovers! Welcome back to another video. I'm Kathy and this is my channel. I am going to Disney World in 10 days. 10 days from today, I will be arriving at Disney World and I am so excited, and it is finally time where I feel like it's an okay time to pack. I feel like I've been slowly already packing and planning for 2 weeks now, but now I feel it's an appropriate time to pack. So I wanted to show you what my Disney World outfits are going to be. So this video is all about the outfits that I'm going to be wearing while I'm in Disney World. All the different clothing that I have that's Disney related from small shops and from the Disney parks. And just what I'm going to be comfortable in, especially for the August heat and humidity. So let's get started. Okay, so we will be arriving on a Saturday. So Saturday is our travel day. So for our travel day, I am sticking with comfortable Nike shorts just to be able to wear because I am driving, so it's going to be a little bit of a long ride. And to go with those Nike shorts, I have my okay, but first, Disney tank top. I figured this would be perfect for a travel day, an arriving day, and it's just nice and airy. So that is my outfit for the first day. We are arriving on Saturday and we are staying at the Polynesian, and Saturday night we are going to the Spirit of Aloha dinner show. So I'm not going to keep my travel clothes on, obviously, but for the Spirit of Aloha luau, I decided to go with this dress. It is flowery. Yeah, there, if you can see that. So it's flowery, it's green, it's got a little bit of blue in there, and it's from Target. So it's super comfortable, and it's from Target. So I'm gonna wear this dress. I'm going to pair that with my Aloha ears, 3D printed ears, with the castle design and a teal bow. So I feel like that teal bow can kind of go with the light, yeah, of the flowers. So I'm gonna pair those two together for the luau. So moving on to the next day. The next day will be Sunday. On Sunday, we are going to Be Our Guest in the Magic Kingdom for breakfast. So for Be Our Guest, I am going for a Belle inspired look, of course. So I'm going to be wearing this yellow dress, which is from Old Navy. So it has a little bit of a floral pattern. It's just very flowy and airy. So I'm gonna wear this yellow dress and I'm gonna pair it with my Danielle Nicole Cogsworth purse and my Ears Full of Sugar Burt ears. So I'm gonna have the bag, the ears, and my dress. Yeah. So also on Sunday, while we are at the Magic Kingdom and back and forth between the resort, I have another outfit just in case I want to change, and this could be on other days too. But it is just a simple pair of high-waisted jean shorts. These are from Lord & Taylor, and my D3T's Polynesian crop top. So again, it has that light teal blue color that I like, and this is the pocket design. So it's a really pretty color scheme. So that is just a possible outfit change for Sunday while we're at Magic Kingdom and back and forth between the resort. And with my teal Polynesian D3T's crop top and my jean shorts, I'm going to be wearing my Ears Full of Sugar confetti ears. They've definitely got the same color scheme going on, so I think that'll be lots of fun. I just got these ears and I'm so excited about them. So those will be with this whenever this outfit comes into play. Now on Monday, we are going to be going to Epcot for the day, and we will also be having an early dinner at Beaches and Cream. So I am going to wear a couple tee. So my fiance has the other half of this tee, and it's, of course, as you probably guessed, we finish each other's sandwiches. So I thought this would be good for Epcot because Frozen, everything Frozen, and in the Norway Pavilion is Epcot, and also because we're going to Beaches and Cream. So we're gonna be having burgers and, you know, sandwiches. So I thought it'll be good for that, and I'm gonna pair this tee with these red flowery shorts, and they have a little tassel ties on the bottom. So I'm gonna wear these and this shirt probably like tied up. So I'll wear these two together. These shorts are actually from JCPenney. They are ANA, A New Approach. So those are the red shorts. And the sandwiches tee is from Once Upon Apparel. So I'll link everything down below, but great tee, love this, love this. And with my sandwiches outfit, so I'll have the sandwiches shirt and the red shorts, I'm gonna pair that with my Disney Parks polka dot ears. So they've got the red bow, black and white, just like the shirt, so I think that'll be a good match. On Tuesday, we're headed back to Magic Kingdom, and we are starting with a breakfast at Kona Cafe at the Polynesian in the morning. So of course, I actually have a second Polynesian tee from D3 Tees. This one is a blue V-neck, and it's got that same pocket design. So I'm gonna pair this with these striped pants. They're like parachute-ish. They're big on the bottom. They're really cute. But yeah, so I'm gonna probably tuck it in and have the pants high-waisted. So excited. On Wednesday, we'll be going to Hollywood Studios. So for Hollywood Studios, I am going to wear this Minnie Mouse tank that I got from Macy's. It says Minnie on the front. It has a couple different Minnies. And it actually has this sports bra attachment, and then the whole back of the shirt is open. So again, I'm gonna post a lookbook when I actually am in Disney and wearing these outfits each day so you can see what they look like. But this was from Macy's, and I think it was $7. It was on clearance. So I'm gonna wear that, and I'm gonna pair that with my red, white, and blue shorts. As you can see, I love these kinds of shorts. So I'm gonna be wearing these kind a lot in the parks. They're nice and thin and flowy, so I'm gonna be wearing those two things on Wednesday. Wednesday night, we're going to Moonlight Magic in Epcot, so I might have an outfit change for that night too, but I'll let you know in the next video. Thursday is finally Animal Kingdom Day. So for Animal Kingdom Day, I am wearing another, I have a lot of D3 tees. They're my favorite, the little pocket tees. I'm obsessed with them. So for Thursday, I'm going to wear the Up pocket tee. And I'm gonna pair that again with those jean shorts. So I'll be wearing those together. These are high-waisted, and this, I'll probably tie it in the middle of the shirt. So, whoop. Yeah. And with the D3 Up pocket tee and the jean shorts, I am going to wear my Animal Kingdom ears. These are Disney Parks ears, and the bow has a little bit of a cheetah print going on there. So I'm gonna wear these ears for Animal Kingdom Day. Now we're down to Friday. Friday is our last park day. We are going to the Garden Grill for dinner. All I have planned for Friday so far is another pocket tee. I love these pocket tees. Another pocket tee with just a comfy pair of gray shorts. So I will probably bring more non-Disney related clothes to change into throughout the days if I want to do like just a quick outfit change, or if we've gotten too hot or too wet from Splash Mountain or something. So again, I'll show everything that I wear in another video, my lookbook, and that will actually be while I'm at Disney wearing the outfits. So in this video, the last outfit is for leaving day. So for leaving day, I have another pair of Nike shorts for the comfortable ride home, and my Greetings from Neverland vintage postcard tee from the Lost Bros. So I'll be wearing that on my drive home. I have a couple other things that I'll be using throughout the week. I have this Spaceship Earth purse, which was my lifesaver on my last trip because it's actually very spacious, but it's also Disney themed, so I love that. And then I also have my FastPass Princess hat. This hat was like my favorite thing on the last trip. I wore it all the time, so I'm sure I'll be wearing it a lot again. This hat is from Happily Ever Tees, so check them out. I'll link them down below, but it's such a comfortable hat and it comes in such cute colors. That is it for my Disney outfit planning / packing. Let me know down below in the comments if there's anything that you really liked or any ideas that you've had for past Disney trips and outfits. I love to hear them, and I still do have a little bit of time, so let me know down below. I will link everything down below in the description that I'm able to find online, and if not, then I'll try to at least find something similar. But I'm so excited. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, Main Street Mickey Memories, so that you can follow along while I'm actually in Disney World on my Instagram stories. And then I'll be posting videos and vlogs when I get back. So have a great day. Bye, Disney lovers.